The Design tab is a section on your website where you can create different designs that are used throughout your site that change global options on your website, such as fonts, colors, and spacing. For the most part, these will already be configured for you with your design. It's not recommended to go in here and change any of these options, because sometimes by doing so, it will alter the way your site looks in an unfavorable way. If you want to alter any of the design aspects of your site, you can reach out to Aztec. We can help with that. But I can still give you a brief overview of what this section looks like, because there are some things that you will go in here for, such as changing your logo. So in this section here, there are tabs for layout, logo, colors, spacing, fonts, background, CSS, JavaScript, and the advanced section. The layout section here has different options for your site header, your navigation, icons, headings, images, links, and miscellaneous behaviors. For instance, if I click on Open the site header here, you'll see that the default site layout for the website is this particular layout. Sometimes we'll choose different ones depending on what your site needs, but if you click on a different layout, you'll notice that these options will change in terms of how this works. If you were to go in here and switch this without notifying us, it may not look exactly the way it looks here in the back office preview. So this is something we would recommend not changing in this section. The logo section is for updating your logo for the entire website. This uses a general media picker. So if you click on the plus icon, this will open up a section to your media library, and then from here you can grab your new logo that you've uploaded there. Or you can drag and drop a new logo into the section here as well. Beyond this, I wouldn't really recommend going into this design tab and changing anything. Again, if you're uncomfortable with updating the logo yourself, you can always reach out to Aztec and we can update the logo for you. That way we can make sure it's the right file, format, size, and shape. The color section here gives a list of all the different colors that are used on your site and where they are used. But again, this is a section we don't recommend editing or updating. If you need any assistance with this, please reach out to Aztec and we can help configure these for you.